This is our life in Ned. Today we caught a plastic bag. Last year, $20 bill flew into our yard, and a brand new thumb drive, flash drive, still in its clamshell. I'm hoping that a Prius will blow into our yard this year. I think it's time. It could happen. Along with assorted beer cans, empty food boxes, wrappers, and other plastic items. So this has been our day today. As you can see, all the windows are crusted in snow, and we have 40 miles an hour sustained wind, with gusts up to 90 miles an hour. Yeah, this is our yard. Our poor husband is outside trying to shovel. Yep. That's in front of our house. That is depositing all the snow that falls on the divide into our driveway. Fantastic.